In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Jetta key fob. This is an easy process. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and all you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR1632 battery. If you don't know where to get these or you don't have one lying around, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, opening this thing up is easy. Look over here on the back, there's an opening right there for you. Insert your flathead screwdriver in there and give it a twist, just a gentle twist until it starts to open up. And from there, just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. This top part, you can set that to the side. And we want to come over here and using the same flathead going in this key area, we just want to pry a little bit. So kind of hold on the bottom and pry up in that area to push these two pieces apart. You can see my battery is falling out. This device works with one CR1632 battery, which is what we will be using. Inside, you might be replacing two 1620 batteries, which they work the same. But either way, all you want to do is carefully extract the battery, the old battery. Take your new 1632 battery and make sure that when you're putting the new battery in, the positive side is facing down, and you'll just drop that into place. If you wanted to use two 1620 batteries, you do the exact same thing. You'd put one on the bottom, face positive side down. You put another one right on top of their positive side down. Once you've done that, you can just set this top half right on top of there, kind of line it up, squeeze it back together, and now we can just slide these two pieces onto each other and give it a good squeeze so that it snaps back into place nice and securely. And with that, you are all set. You've got a new battery in there, and you should be good to go with that key fob for a very long time. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give it a like, give the video a like, or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.